Hi everyone, compliments of the season. Let's solve for the value of x. First, once the power is what we are looking for, we need to introduce log to both sides of the equation in order to bring it down. So we are going to introduce log. So we have log 100 to the power of x is equal to log 500 to the power of 1000. Now, when you have log a raised to the power of b, this is equal to b multiplied by log a. So that means that we are going to bring this down to multiply log 100, right? So we have x log 100 is equal to 100 log 500. Now, 100 is same thing as 10 to the power of 2, okay? So we can write this as x log 10 to the power of 2 is equal to 100 log. Now 500 is the same thing as 100 multiplied by 5, right? Okay, so we can bring this down to multiply this so that we now have 2x log 10 is equal to 100 log 100 multiplied by 5. Now I want us to recall that when you have log a multiplied by b, that this is equal to log a plus log b. Okay, so we can rewrite this as log 100 plus log 5. So we have 2x log 10 is equal to 100 multiplied by log 100 plus log 5, right? Now, we are going to divide through by 2. Okay, let's divide through by 2. So we have 2x log 10 divided by 2, okay, is equal to 100 brackets log 100 plus log 5 divided by 2. Now 2, we cancel this, so we have x multiplied by log 10 is equal to, this we cancel this, we have 50 multiplied by log 100 plus log 5. Okay, now recall that log 10 is equal to 1 and log 100 is equal to 2. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, please click on the subscription button and turn on your notification bell. Now, the essence of this video is not even to get the value of x. The most interesting aspect where we applied so many mathematical skills is where we prove that the answer we got is correct. So I will advise and I will plead that you watch to the end. Yes, the reason is that that is where you are going to enjoy this video more, so don't miss that out. Now, we upload videos every day, so always check on us for new uploads even without getting the notification, okay? And give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. Now back to what we are doing. That means this is same thing as x multiplied by 1, right? Is equal to 50 brackets log 100 is 2 plus log 5. Now x multiplied by 1 will give us x, and this is equal to 50 bracket 2 log 5. Now this is the value of our x. Back to the main thing, which is let's verify, okay? So let us verify. So the question says that 100 to the power of x is equal to 500 to the power of 100, okay? So we'll write that 100 to the power of x is equal to 500 to the power of 100. Now our x is this, so we substitute 100 to the power of 50 brackets 2 plus log 5, okay, is equal to 500 to the power of 100. Now let's open this bracket. So we have 100 to the power of 50 times 2 will give us 100 plus 50 times log 5 is 50 log 5 is equal to 500 to the power of 100. Now recall that when you have a raised to the power of n plus n, just like what we have here now, you can write this as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. This is a law of exponents, okay? Now, that means we can write this as 100 to the power of 100 multiplied by 100 to the power of 50 log 5, okay, is equal to 500 to the power of 100. So we have 100 to the power of 100 multiplied by, this 100 is same thing as 10 squared. So we can write this as 10 to the power of 2 bracket 50 log 5, right? Is equal to 500 to the power of 100. So we have 100 to the power of 100 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2 times 50 will give us 100 log 5 is equal to 500 to the power of 100. Okay, all right. So we now have 100 to the power of 100 multiplied by, this will go up, right? Yes, using the power rule, this can be converted to 10 to the power of log 5 raised to the power of what? This 100, right? Is equal to 500 to the power of 100. Now recall that this log, anytime you have log without any base, that means that this is log to base 10. Okay, so this is log to base 10. And when you have a to the power of log a, log b base a, something like this, once this and this are equal, then this is equal to b. All right, so that simply means that, permit me to draw this line. Now this is where we are, that 100 to the power of 100 multiplied by 10 to the power of log to base 10 of 5 raised to the power of 100 is equal to 500 to the power of 100. Okay, now I was trying to say that when you have a to the power of log b base a, that this is equal to b. Once this and this, once they are equal, then this is b. So that means that we have 100 to the power of 100, right, multiplied by, now once this and this they are equal, right, so this is 5. So we have 5 to the power of 100 there is equal to 500 to the power of 100. Now we can see that when you have a to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m, this is equal to ab raised to the power of m. Okay, so that means that this is same thing as 100 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 100, okay, is equal to what? 500 to the power of 100. Now 100 times 5 will give us 500 to the power of 100 is equal to 500 to the power of 100. So we can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to watch our next video. Bye.